Today we'll be working on this round slice of walnut wood. In this project, you'll see how to make a hand router sled to get a perfectly flat and smooth surface. We're using 2 steel square tubes, each 8 centimeters high. This size allows us to work with wood pieces between 3 and 7 centimeters thick, which, you'll agree, is more than enough for most projects. We'll also need 2 metal angle irons. Nothing fancy, just regular corner pieces you can find in any workshop. Make sure your surface is nice and level. That's really important for a clean result. I'm no welding expert. Actually, this is almost my first try. But trust me, that's more than enough for what we're doing here. All you need to do is reinforce both sides, and that's pretty much it. And here's the result. Strong, perfectly straight. And the best part is, it'll never bend or mess up your accuracy. That's exactly why I love solid metal. From here, you'll be able to level any surface with expert precision. As for this walnut slab, it's going to become an epoxy table, which you'll see in our next video. And don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to us.